everybody. I'm gonna tell you how you make French fries. Okay? First, it all starts underground. Okay? It all starts underground. Step 1. So, it's underground and then they get harvest. Step 2. They shake them, they roll them, and then finally they pick up the potatoes. And then they leave them in a row for the next thing, which they dump into the truck. And then they will go to a place, and then this is where step 3 happens. Step 3, at that place, they clean the potatoes, they wash them, they brush them, and then finally they slice them. And then they would fry them. But you have to fry it 2 times. So, that's how you make potatoes. Bye, everybody.